Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in CREO software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select front plane, sketch, select circle, create two circles, 42 and 22 mm. Select line, give the dimensions. This height is 40 mm. This length is 100 minus 8, 92. This is 8 mm. This depth is 6 mm. This height is 18 plus 6, 24 mm. Select line again. Join the lines here. Delete segment, delete these lines. (24) That's it. Finish sketch, extrude. Here select symmetric, (50 mm). Next, give the fillet, 2 mm is okay. This and this edge. Next, there is a rib. For that, select this surface, sketch, select line, give the dimension here, (45°). Finish sketch, select rib, thickness is 12 mm. Okay. Next, there is a one hole, diameter 16 and 25 dimension. Select hole, diameter 16, it's a simple hole. Select the surface, give the dimensions, (25 mm). This is also 25 mm. Finish sketch, select fillet again, select this edge. So that's it, friends. You can compare both the drawings. Now you can assign the material here. Friends, if you are enjoying this session, please hit the like button and subscribe buttons. Select view, appearances, name and thumbnails. So you can see there are materials are there. Which materials you required you can assign here. I will go with PTC standard aluminum. Select entire body. Okay. Now material is assigned. We can edit the color also. More appearances, color. With the color wheel we can assign the color. Select the body like this. We can edit model appearances like this. We can change the color also. That's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends.